Yes.
And all the splashes that we have is all about the BBI ruling yesterday.
Yeah.
Do you think, from your own assessment, this really came from the left, or it was expected? The ruling.
It was expected.
It was expected.
I think it was expected because at the end of the day, BBI suffered 3 bullets, fatal wounds. And so, in earnest, it is over for it. And all the judges found something unconstitutional about BBI in their diversity, in their variance. Even Njoki Ndungu found something that BBI did that was unconstitutional. And fundamentally, to me, beyond just saying there are provisions that are wrong, they are saying the whole idea was brought by the wrong person. That president should not have preoccupied his time and effort thinking, drafting, initiating the process. So this is deeper than just saying there is a procedural fault. They are saying that the idea should not have even arisen because it arose from wrong quarters. And so it is fundamental, it is decisive, there is no if. We are actually looking at the end of BBI as we know it.
All right, so 3 fatal bullets, have you teased them out?
Yeah, and you know, it mopped to the issue of constituencies.
Okay.
That even the CJ, Martha Koome, said, even if I say that the initial draft was had public participation, then in the second draft, when you brought the SEJU with the constituency,
yes,
I don't see participation. Then the fundamental one is